Today in this video we will learn about how to connect GoDaddy Domain with Redserverhost Hosting. GoDaddy Domain can be pointed out easily towards Redserverhost. While purchasing hosting services from many of the hosting provider, it will give you name servers through email. Copy those name servers and then open the GoDaddy Domain control panel. Go to Manage DNS option. And now paste those copied name servers here. Finally, click on Save button and hence the name servers are updated successfully.